Привет всем!
Hi.
So yes, we will record today the video for the full complexion, like fresh summery look, and Miriam, she will apply the makeup for me. Let's see how it will look. This is our first recording video.
Yeah. So excited.
Yes. Yeah.
So okay, let's go. So first we will start by skincare, which is Charlotte Tilbury serum.
Anyway, let me talk about the Miriam. Miriam, she is my colleague around 4 years. We are working 4 years.
4 years.
And I don't know where she's from. Where exactly you're from? Last time I recorded the video
4
in
years,
Instagram.
and she don't know I'm from where, but I know she's from where. This is really bad thing.
Where I'm
Comment
from?
below, huh?
No, where I am from?
No, Turkmenistan.
No, you are saying wrong.
Turkmenistan.
Turkmenistan.
It's the same. They are neighbors.
So last time when I recorded the video in Instagram, I couldn't pronounce your country name. What's the name?
My name is? I'm from Eritrea.
Eritrea.
Yes. So now we'll use the eye cream. With this one.
No, Clarence. Biting manager mo tingin doon siya no. Flawless filter. This is my love. I love it, and you can even see it from all of my video. Здравствуйте.
Меня зовут Суд. Очень приятно.
Сумьем Пюн. Тебя зовут.
Очень приятно.
Where do you from?
Myanmar.
Myanmar. Thai. Sudvika.
No, Minglaba.
Minglaba. So we will use the flawless
Just
filter.
show in the hand.
Yes.
I'll show in her hand. This is the
I
flawless
think
filter.
all of my the followers know already about
The flawless filter.
because I'm always using everywhere all videos.
Which is this one.
It gives like more like a more
Glow, like a
soft
weight
glow
effect,
on the
healthy,
skin.
fresh look. I always mix it with my foundation. You can also use it alone. So actually you will use it in 3 different ways. Mix it with your foundation,
Yeah,
use
here.
it alone, or use it as a highlight.
Okay.
I'm far away.
Say something on your language.
Salam.
Salam is another language
Hi.
also.
Really?
Yes.
What is your
Salam.
one?
It's
Hi?
like hi.
Oh, I said it like tamam.
Salam.
Salam.
Gomen.
Goman. Goman is Turkey, right?
No, it's Turkmen language.
It's the same Turkey. What is the difference between Turkey and Turkmenistan, by the way? Like, it's the same, right? Wallah. The language is the same. They speak all Turkey.
It's very close. Sounds very close, but it's not really same. We are understanding
You have,
the Turkish people, yeah,
you have
but the
your own
Turkish people
language.
cannot understand us.
Really?
No.
So you have your own language means.
Mm-hmm.
Let me take it over here.
The salam is like hi, like you also.
Yeah. And we say ciao. Ciao,
Ciao
for
is bye.
It's like Italian, right?
Like French.
Yeah, French is like that, right?
Mm-hmm. with the mascara, very tiny of the eyeliner, brown eyeliner. So what's now is left? We have
A
red,
red lipstick.
lip liner.
Red. Actually, red lip liner. And why you bring gloss?
Just tiny amount to touch in the middle on the
You
lip.
didn't bring the lipstick.
No, I don't want a really lipstick sauce.
Okay, smile. Okay.
So
Hello.
hi guys, so we come back again. Can you?
It's not okay.
This one, she was so
It's not okay.
Hi guys, I am the beautiful woman around the world. All the way from
Juan.
Philippines.
Juan, Philippines.
Our senior artist, Juan.
Why not this one?
No, this doesn't fit inside. It's recording. It's recording. You will guys will see it.
Yeah, I know. I see your YouTube channel.
Oh my God.
Okay, so now we will use the setting
Wait,
spray.
wait.
Still, we didn't start?
No.
Okay, start.
Okay. So we come back. We done all over look. It's fresh look, like with the red lipstick. You wanna say anything?
Healthy, fresh look.
Like
with
glowing, yeah, with the very
red lipstick.
cheeks, pink cheeks.
Pink cheeks, but light, very natural, and a bit of mascara and eyeliner, and glowy skin with
I
the
love
red
it.
lipstick.
I love it. Personally, I really love it. I usually not really wearing so much red on my lip, but it really looks nice. So we'll
So
use the
now
setting
we'll
spray.
use the setting spray just to set the makeup. Close your eyes a bit far. We'll use it like. This is the final look.
Smells very good. So it's giving us 16 hours wearing. So you can use this one before your foundation and after foundation also. Nowadays we are wearing the mask and it's a bit smudging. So this is our final look and I hope you guys you like it. This is our first experience. So you want to say something?
Yeah, so hope you like that.
She still feels shy. She still not get used to the camera.
No, I did, but yeah. Any comment? If you have any comment or anything, just comment us below. And this is the fresh, healthy look.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe the channel.
Subscribe the channel. down.
Yes. So with your guys' support, we will upload a lot of new videos. And say something on your language.
Hope you like it and love you so much. Salam.
Only
Да,
salam.
Bye. Ciao.
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 Спасибо вам большое. Еще увидимся очень скоро. Спасибо вам за все. Целую вас. Salam for Turkmenistan.
Salam for Turkmenistan. What is the bye from Turkey?
Saul.
Sao? Only?
Saul. Like a
Saul.
Turkish, yes.
No,
It
I
sounds-
want Turkmenistan. I don't want Turkey.
Like it sounds similar, so that's why it's very similar culture also, you know.
It's what? Saul?
Saul, görüşürüz, bye.
Görüşürüz,
Görüşürüz is in
Saul.
Turkish. Oh my god, anyway, yalla bye.
Saul.